Welcome back to the channel, guys. OJ Marketing. For some reasons right here, the TikTok creativity program is actually blowing up right now, and a lot of people are making money right now with the TikTok creativity program. People are making thousands of dollars with just a little amount or some amount of views which they are actually making with the TikTok creativity program, with a video that can actually be created in just about 5 minutes right now. In this particular video, I'm going to walk you through some cool niches you can just simply go on to focusing on to actually go on to making money with the TikTok creativity program that is actually still in the beta phase right now. So guys, without further ado and more delay of time, let's dive right into the video of today. So guys, the first niche right now is, if you do go on to taking a look at the clip videos right now on TikTok, you actually do find that clip videos are actually kind of videos right here that are actually having maybe like a podcast at the top. Then you can actually do go on to seeing like a gaming play at the bottom section right now. So there's a split screen right there of a podcast and a gameplay right now. But the reason why a lot of people are focusing on this kind of videos right there is because they are getting a lot of views to the videos right now. But one thing which they don't know is that TikTok is actually taking down a lot of their accounts right here. And right now TikTok are actually taking down their account right here from the TikTok creativity program because they are not actually getting or utilizing original content right now for their videos right there. You can see that most of the videos are actually podcasts right now, gotten from different spaces right there, and they just simply just go on to merging it with a gaming play or gameplay right now. And TikTok is actually removing that from the TikTok creativity program. I'm not just saying that some people are not actually making it on the TikTok creativity program with this niche. Some people are actually making some money right there, but guys, in a matter of time, guys, TikTok actually finds a way to go on to taking down the account from the TikTok creativity program payroll right there, which is why you may actually want to go on to focusing on a much more reliable niche right there that you can actually do get a lot of views, a lot of engagement, and make a lot of money online. And that niche right there is actually the first niche right now, and that niche is actually maybe an AI motivational niche. So if you do go on to focusing on more on the AI motivational niche right there, you just simply need to have a video that is actually giving out motivational quotes right now. And if you do go on to focusing on some stoic kind of videos right there, for example, take a look at this video right now. If I do go on to playing this video, you can see right here that the video is actually having some cool and amazing historical images right there on the background, and such images right there are actually just simply having a simple voiceover over the video, and you can just simply see a text of the voiceover right there. So you can actually do go on to checking out other videos right there. They just simply follow similar pattern right now, and all these videos are actually having lots and lots of engagement right here on platforms such as this. So with this particular kind of videos, you can just simply utilize that to go on to making a lot of money with the TikTok creativity program. You can actually do see this video right here is actually a very cool one, having the background images and also voiceover right there with a caption right now on the images right there or on the video right now. So basically this is a very cool niche you can just simply go on to focusing on. You can also go on to taking a look at this other channel that does something similar to that right now, which is the Stoic.mentor. This is a very cool channel that does the AI motivation niche right now, that they actually have AI voiceovers right there, and the voiceovers are actually on images that are actually changing, and they just simply have little and captions on such images right there. So basically this is a very cool niche right here. As you can see, this niche or this particular account has a lot of followers, about 193,000 followers right now. You can see 5.1 million likes, and the videos are actually getting lots and lots of engagement. You can actually do go on to seeing that regardless of the TikTok creativity program, making money with the TikTok creativity program, you can also go on to make money utilizing an alternative means. Maybe you can just simply go on to selling out an ebook right now. Maybe if you do have an ebook on motivations right there, you can just simply put that ebook in the bio of your account and just simply go on to selling that right there in the bio of your account. As you can see, this person actually links this particular bio to a Shopify platform where they could go on to purchasing a particular stuff right there, and this person actually makes money right now on Shopify and also on the TikTok creativity program, as the videos are actually getting lots of engagement. So this is a very cool strategy you could go on to utilizing right now. So in case you don't want to just simply sell an ebook or something related to that, you may actually go on to promoting an affiliate marketing offer from platforms like ClickBank right here, and also from other platforms out there like Digistore24 right now. Get a cool affiliate marketing offer and go on to placing that in the bio of your account as you go on to creating some cool kinds of AI motivational videos and go on to promoting that right there. So that's actually a very cool strategy and a very cool niche you could just simply focus on. So the second niche which you could go on to focusing on right now is a very cool niche right there, and the niche is actually a horror story niches right here. As you can see, horror story niches are video or horror story videos actually get a lot of engagement right here. For some reasons, people are actually stuck on such kinds of videos, and they tend to watch the videos to the end right there, and also go on to watching other videos of that person's account right now. So you can actually go on to checking out this video right now, or maybe you could check out this video right here. You can see this video actually has a lot of engagement. This video has about 436,000 likes right here. As you can see, this is actually the engagement of this particular video. You can actually go on to checking out the account right now, and you'll be able to see that mostly they're just simply going to focusing on such kinds of videos right now, and they're getting lots of engagement. You can see this is about 419,000 views or likes. This is about 450,000 views, about 245,000, 5.8 million, 46,000 right now. And you can see this channel doesn't actually have much videos right there, but they actually have a lot of engagement right now and a lot of followers, meaning that this is a very cool niche right here you could just simply go on to focusing on. Now supposing you want to just simply create a very cool video that is actually having a very cool story or horror story right there, you could just simply head onto this particular platform called the creepypasta.com. This is a very cool platform that you can just simply go into getting some cool and amazing horror stories that you could just simply go into utilizing to convert into a voiceover, and actually go into getting some cool images right there to use on the background of the video right now. Maybe you want to just simply get images right there, you could just simply head on to platforms like Canva, go on to getting some cool images, or you could utilize AI tools like Midjourney, Leonardo, Blue Willow, and some cool AIs right there to go on to generating cool and amazing images you can just simply utilize for that purpose right now. So imagine you actually go on to creating an image right there. Maybe you want to just simply create an image that grabs people's attention. Maybe you could just simply give the image a caption such as things they won't tell you about the Titanic right now, or crazy things they won't tell you about the Titanic, and you actually get a very cool and intriguing video of the Titanic right there. Maybe you actually go onto the Leonardo AI and you type in a very cool content right here. Maybe I actually come right here and I'm actually going to put in something like the Titanic ship sinking in the desert right now. So maybe I can actually go on to put in the Safari Desert or the Sahara. So if I do put that and click on enter right now, as you can see right here, it's actually going to go on to generating a very cool kind of video or image for me in a matter of some seconds right now, and you'll be able to see how cool and engaging such images can actually look like right now. You can see that this is a very cool image right now, but it's not actually in the desert right now, but you can also go on to getting some cool other kinds of images that you can just simply go on to utilizing right now. So you just want to make sure you go on to tweaking this particular text right here, which is the text prompt you actually did use to go on to getting some cool kinds of images right there that you can actually go on to utilizing right there for such kinds of image or such kind of videos right now. So depending on the kind of video that you actually go on to, or the image you actually generate and utilize in the video, that actually helps you to keep people stuck on that particular video and watch the video to the end. And you need actually to get a very cool and engaging story to also utilize, and that will keep people to watch the video to the end, and also go on to watching out other videos right there on your channel, and you also go on to making lots of cool amount of views and making some cool cash with the TikTok creativity program right there. So you can actually go on to focusing on the third niche right now, which is actually a very cool niche right here, which is actually the TikTok Reddit kind of videos. So you should go on to getting Reddit kind of videos on TikTok right now. These are actually videos of maybe you having a gameplay at the background, and such gameplay right now you do have a story that is actually going on, maybe a voiceover actually going on such kind of gameplay, and as the voiceover is going on right there, you're actually having a caption for such voiceover right now explaining that particular having a subtitle for that particular voiceover right there. So this is actually a very cool kind of video that could keep people engaged also on your content right there, and this can easily be made right here. All you need to do is to just simply go on to getting cool gameplays right now. Maybe you can actually go on to getting a gameplay from platforms like YouTube, download the video right now. You can just simply go on to searching for Minecraft right there, download the video, and just simply go on to utilizing that. Add a very cool voiceover right there that is actually explanatory, and utilize that for your video. Maybe you want to get some cool voiceovers, you can actually head on to platforms like Reddit, search for confessions. You'll be able to see a lot of cool confession stories right here that you can just simply go on to convert into a voiceover and utilize that right there for your videos right now. So these are actually quite cool niches you could focus on the TikTok creativity program. As you can see right now, for the TikTok creativity program, these are actually the requirements for you joining the TikTok creativity program. You need to actually have a US based account, you need to be at least 18 years old, and you need to have at least 10,000 followers and have at least 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. This right here is not actually quite difficult to get with the TikTok niches I actually did show you right now. You can actually get this quite easily and very fast right there, but the work right here actually is in getting this 10,000 followers. But if you want to get the 10,000 followers, it is also quite easy, not quite difficult. You just need to be engaged in that particular kind of niche you are focusing on and post regularly right there. If you're actually regular and consistent with your content creation on such particular accounts which you do create right there for such kind of niches, you will actually go on to getting such amount of followers in a very short period of time and start making money with the TikTok creativity program. And I do hope this video has added any form of value to you. If you don't like the video, just simply leave a like button on that particular video right there. You can actually go on to leaving a comment or dropping a comment down below right now if you do have any question, and also make sure you subscribe to the channel OJ Marketing and your notification bell is always turned on all. So that's it for now. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, and goodbye.